Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to use Instagram group invite links. So actually the group is on messaging, messaging I mean. So you open your Instagram apps and then you open your DM or message section, and then you find any groups you own or any groups you created before. So I just click this one, and then you click this group name, okay, on the upper, and then as you can see, this is an option of invite link. Make sure you turn it on, so you could copy or send the link to anyone. So after that you can click copy, and then you can send it through WhatsApp, through email or anything, and then also you can invite somebody through the DM or message in Instagram, and also you can use another apps by clicking share. And then the last one is the option, or if you are not, I mean, if you don't want to allow anybody use the link you shared before, you just click this reset link, so the link will be reset, which is the link will be different from the previous one. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.